for it, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me.
Hey, yeah, man, how you feel like a man with that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I tell a long little real, I stay true to that. Hey, no, man, how you feel like a man with that? I tell a long little real, I stay true to that.
Hey, big bags, my back ache through customs. You travel like you must be tough out of your luck, huh? I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch, huh? Sit brown till I'm flush time, my drip real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill, hand grip stack of the blue cheese, turn that to a bag at a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside, never stressed on for a handout. Just ain't on what I be on, just ain't on, need to be right, yeah. Gold fronts to show the color of my soul. Cool you think you is, you got me in a mode. Where I'm from, we live and die by the code. Either that or sell your soul to get a roll. Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her foreign. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, 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 all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me.
Hey, yeah, man, how you feel like a man with that? Hey, I tell a long little real, I stay true to that.
Hey,
Cool by the king, got drip by the wave, yeah. Hey, yeah, we be independent living, you $1 million slave, yeah. Hey, yeah, tell them keep it simple, stupid, cause it's all about the feeling. Hey, yeah, they done fucked around and let some young bitches in the building. Hey, yeah, I'm a suave young player like the fan with a hush. Hey, yeah, got that 30 on me, baby, hit a nigga with a plot twist. Hey, yeah, if your pocket's broken, shawty, I can hit you with the remedy. Hey, yeah, and I keep it thorough, baby, you can tell it by my energy. Hey, yeah,
black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her foreign. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, 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 all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by, and you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile, it's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line. You was only 21 with a son on the run, though. You was living in the jungle. Got charged for a murder and some weed and a gun, though. You was moving like Rumbo. Did your time like a champ, never rumble. You was on the wrong path, you was young, though. You ain't never let it break, you stay humble. We see the light at the end of the tunnel. I see the fire and the pain in my mama's eyes. I was just a little boy, I always wondered why. Cause you couldn't help raise me by her side. I was taught to speak the truth and never tell a lie. But I know you wasn't capable of homicide. You was just a real always down the ride. I thank God that he gave you a second time. You got caught up in the field, but you still alive. For the fam, yeah, I know you never jeopardized. All the time that you did it only made you wise. Collect call 30 seconds, yeah, I love you. Learned a lot of life lessons from my uncles. This a letter to my pops up top, and it's still cops. I don't eat pork chops, no. ISO, we got the city on lock, it's going down, young jock, yeah. Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by. And you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile, it's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line. All these trials, tribulations, all these trials, situations, trials we be facing, times we was waiting. Now we at the finish line. Now we at the finish line.
Damn near fell, got the call on my cell that my pops got robbed and he got shot up. I was working at SP, that was in KP. I was focused on making me $1. His business got lost, his life almost cost. I was in the parking lot thinking about my grandma. He got sent home back to Trini, had to make a way up, and some youngins tried to take it off from him. I remember days right before I graduated, had to go to Jersey. It was visits in the state pen. On the other side of the glass, yeah, things moving fast at the time. Now I really couldn't face him. I ain't understand till my mom sat me down like a man. And that day, yeah, it changed me forever. I wanted revenge, but I'ma get it when I make it out. And I put him in that Miami weather. Convos on the WhatsApp got me moving real tight, cause you never turn your back even when it got spooky. Know for a fact you ain't cut me no slack. You will rewind time, yeah, like it was a movie. But it's real life and we gotta look ahead. Glad you alive, I don't gotta say you dead. Only the strong survive, it's a reason you here. Cheers to the next couple years, yeah.
Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by. And you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile, it's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line.
I'm only talking flash, then deposits. I maneuver on some calls in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking flash, then deposits. I maneuver on some calls in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted.
Look, I manifested where I'm at. The credit card just up the max, and everything I do, I tax. It's hard to buy my time. They see me shining, my paint dripping, I'm acting different. I keep it modest till I turn up, I've been champagne sipping. They clock watch while I big boss and a flossing proper. I'm quick to slide like a slip, not ducking cops and robbers. Been on the wave, you can't tame, they pressing play to play me. And I'm out of body, my vibration high, I'm levitating. I feel amazing, I'm keeping space away from them toxins. I'm going places, I'm gassed up, ain't no limitation. Headed where that tree in that weather, got my melanin popping. Whip with the leather, the softest, motherfucker humble brag. I'm bad boy with that cash, ready to spaz. I splash the dash, digital rap. They mad, niggas try and bite too hot to handle. I ghost ride it, I pilot phantom. My mind ain't yet hit its prime. They ask me when I'm quitting, decline to answer, I'm unbothered, I'm kind-mannered. But fuck a body in the way, cause I've been moving at a rate where any day the fuse gon' burn out. Then I blow up, then we go up, tell a hater, so what? It's in my veins, I'm cold-blooded and function, I'm flawless, I'm manufactured different. They carbon copy, they sloppy, I'm everlasting with it. I'm legendary, it's very scary, I'm seeing this through the finish.
I'm only talking flash, in deposits. I maneuver on some calls in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking flash, in deposits. I maneuver on some calls in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
Cool, yeah, in the middle, kick raps like riddles, Got
Got game wrapped up like Reynolds, kush packed like Skittles, Move like I'm supposed to be, I chose to be this lit. Shorty at the show just wanna get close to me and pose for me, then flick. And to be honest, girl, that's cool with me. Hey, yeah, at home in my t-shirt and all my jewelry. That too cool for school, but you know that ain't fooling me. Let her do her thing, cause I can't tell her mama who to be. Girl, that's rude to me. And if she wanna swing that Lexus down to Texas, know that I'm gon' let her. What the fuck I look like trippin'? I got polo on my sweater. Give a fuck about all that gossip, cause them don't know no better. All my on and poppin' till I can't fold up no more cheddar. What they mad at me for? Cause I'm out here stuntin' like my daddy. I plus with all my Negroes. I'ma drop that pen, I'ma send that addy. Players front of me, don't roll no mid. What the fuck you thought it was? You don't know what you don't know, so I ain't here to judge. Though I've been on my P's and Q's, blowing them Q's and P's, baby. And I be way too flea to lose, but you still free to choose, baby. Rap nigga be telling them lies, but you know I don't move like that. It's funny when the cap can say you one of my guys when you know I ain't cool like that. I moved to the city real low key in the cut like stealth mode. Dolo masked up, motherfuckers don't know me, and I'm on my health code. That's right, I moved to the city real low key in the cut like stealth mode. Dolo masked up, motherfuckers don't know me, and I'm on my health code.
I'm only talking flash in the posits. I maneuver on some comms in the South Street. Round the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking flash in the posits. I maneuver on some comms in the South Street. Round the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
Yeah, wave.
She ain't know it, but
This is everything I wanted. Look, she ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. This is everything I wanted.
She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
This that gold chains on the stoop with house slippers. We really do this for the culture. Shout out whoever doubted. Shout out the skeptic. Brand new ass, hating motherfuckers. Let him know it's our time. Deal with it. Hey, make sure you run this back so we know it's real. Like I said, I'm trying to go half on a plot of land with the Brody. Love you, mama.
Nah, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul.